Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to edit a cinematic video with the CapCut application. So if you can see here, I already have this video and I would like to make this video look more cinematic. So the things that we need to do now is make this video become like has slower speed. So we need to go click the clip, and after that there will be a pop-up over here, several tools, and we need to just jump into the speed. Now you can choose the normal one and you can drag this point into the left side until you got the speed that you want. Very simple. I would like to make it like 0.6. I think I would like to make it like more slow, like 0.4, and give it a test. When everything is done, now you just need to go click this chalice button. And now I would like to split this clip into several parts. So I would like to make it stop here. So now go click the split, and I would like to jump into several seconds, and go click split it again and delete the second clip so that the video will be jumped from one clip to another, and there will be something missing right there. But then I would like to make it look great later, so let's do a repetition action. Paste split it, go jump into the specific part, split and delete the clip, jump again, split, jump again, delete, and so on and so on. And whenever everything's done, now we need to go click this every clip here and go click add this animation. And for the in part, I would like to add the fade in this, and I will let adjust it to get more durations. And for the out part, I will let to find the fade out, and I will also have this point to be appear, and go click this checklist button. And I will do the same for the rest. Go into the animation, fade in, adjusting the duration, jump into the fade out, and so on and so on. Okay, I will make it first, guys, so excuse me for a while. Okay, I think after this I will make it done. Okay, and whenever done, and here is the result. Okay, now to make it look more cinematic, I will like to do a fast editing for the color grading by adding this filter. And in this filter, I will like to go find out in a movie part, and we can use this inception and adjusting the size, adjusting the intensity too, or you can also use this one day. You can do adjusting, and we can also increasing the warmth or temperature into the warmth. There we go. And then after that, you just need to go click checklist button and make sure that this is applied in a whole clip by drag this point into the end of the clip. And this is the result. So that's the way how to create a cinematic video on a CapCut. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.